Welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a video on the clay and lay method. I'm using the Aztec healing clay, apple cider vinegar, and you can use the oil of your choice. I'm using the Legion summer sauce. Also, last but not least, you need something to stir the product with and water in it. Also, you need to add water into the clay and oil mix and apple cider.
Alright, so this is, wait. Focus. Alright, so this is the best part right here. It's time to put in the clay that you made. Today is the clay that made. Alright, so I'm gonna just do it. Aim to it. Do it. Alright, so now that you know the products, put it in your hair, like brush it in with a hard brush because you don't want to mess up your bristles. Brush it in, and the excess that you have you could put on your face to clear up your skin. And then after that, you will want to throw on a stocking cap do-rag that you don't really care about too much because it's going to be clay all over it. And then I'll show you what to do next. Alright, so hold on. Let me get this straight. Alright. I just got out of the shower, man. We is laid now. Clay and lay work, like, make your hair feel way cleaner, like, way cleaner. So hold on, let me. Woo-hoo. How on earth did we? How did we do that? Like, what? Good thing. Look how that brush just. Oh my goodness. Check out the box. This is crazy, like, it'll clean your hair and lay your hair down. So imagine you wolfing and you do this about every Saturday. Everybody's wolves could be extended. So, I don't know, y'all seen like before and after, so let me know if you think it worked. Let me know if you didn't think it worked. Drop questions in the comments. I don't know who that was, but just let me know. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. Boom.